2025 Tata Tiago has arrived, marking a significant evolution in Tata Motors' lineup. This compact hatchback has consistently garnered attention for its blend of style, performance, and affordability, and the latest iteration continues this tradition with noteworthy enhancements. One of the most prominent updates in the 2025 Tiago is the introduction of a factory-fitted CNG option. This addition caters to the growing demand for more economical and environmentally friendly fuel alternatives. The Tiago CNG variant offers impressive fuel efficiency, making it an attractive choice for budget-conscious drivers. This move aligns with Tata's commitment to providing versatile fuel options to its customers. In terms of design, the 2025 Tiago sports subtle yet impactful changes. The front fascia has been refreshed, featuring a sleeker grille and redesigned headlamps that lend the car a more modern and dynamic appearance. These updates not only enhance the car's aesthetics but also improve its aerodynamic efficiency, contributing to better overall performance. Stepping inside, the Tiago's cabin has been upgraded to offer a more premium feel. High-quality materials, coupled with a refined layout, create an inviting atmosphere for both the driver and passengers. The seats have been redesigned for enhanced comfort, ensuring a pleasant experience during both short commutes and longer journeys. The technological advancements in the 2025 Tiago are noteworthy. The hatchback now boasts a 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system that supports wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. This feature ensures seamless connectivity, allowing occupants to access navigation, music, and other applications effortlessly. Additionally, the inclusion of automatic climate control, a 4-speaker sound system, and rain-sensing wipers enhances the overall convenience and comfort for passengers. Under the hood, the Tiago continues to be powered by Tata's reliable 1.2-liter Revotron petrol engine, delivering a balanced mix of power and fuel efficiency. This engine is mated to either a 5-speed manual transmission or a 5-speed AMT, catering to diverse driving preferences. The introduction of the CNG variant provides an eco-friendly alternative without compromising on performance, reflecting Tata's dedication to sustainable mobility solutions. Safety remains a priority in the 2025 Tiago. The hatchback comes equipped with dual airbags, ABS with EBD, and corner stability control as standard across all variants. These features ensure a secure driving experience, aligning with Tata's commitment to passenger safety. The Tiago's dimensions have been optimized to offer ample interior space while maintaining a compact footprint suitable for urban driving. With a length of 3,767 mm, width of 1,677 mm, and height of 1,535 mm, along with a wheelbase of 2,400 mm, the Tiago provides a comfortable cabin without compromising maneuverability. The ground clearance of 170 mm strikes a balance between city driving and tackling rougher terrains. In the competitive landscape, the 2025 Tiago holds its ground effectively. When compared to rivals like the Tata Punch, Renault KWID, Maruti Espresso, Hyundai Exter, and Hyundai Grand i10 Neos, the Tiago offers a compelling package of features, performance, and value for money. Its diverse fuel options, including petrol and CNG, provide flexibility to consumers, setting it apart in its segment. Tata Motors' future plans indicate a strong focus on expanding their electric vehicle EV portfolio. The Tiago EV has already made a significant impact, surpassing the 50,000 units delivery milestone. This achievement underscores the growing acceptance and demand for electric mobility solutions in the market. Tata's strategy includes introducing more EVs, such as the upcoming Altroz EV, which is expected to offer impressive range and performance, further solidifying Tata's position in the EV segment. In conclusion, the 2025 Tata Tiago exemplifies Tata Motors' dedication to continuous improvement and customer satisfaction. With its blend of modern design, advanced technology, versatile fuel options, and a strong emphasis on safety, the Tiago remains a formidable contender in the compact hatchback segment. Whether you're seeking efficiency, style, or innovative features, the 2025 Tiago is poised to meet and exceed expectations, making it a noteworthy choice for discerning drivers.